Meaning of dreariness.
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 Dreariness. Dreariness is a noun that refers to a feeling of sadness, dullness, and lack of energy. It is typically associated with a dreary or gloomy atmosphere that can leave a person feeling dispirited and unmotivated. The result of dreariness is often a sense of boredom and monotony, as well as a lack of enthusiasm and creativity. This can lead to a decline in productivity and an overall feeling of discontent. To combat dreariness, it is important to find ways to inject positivity and vitality into one's daily routine.